Today we will learn how to provision an Okta user to an LDAP integration. As the needs of your org change, you can use this procedure to update your Okta to LDAP provisioning settings. The Okta to LDAP provisioning settings define how Okta user data is shared and managed with LDAP. Okta users can be provisioned to an LDAP directory integration by assigning a group to the LDAP directory, and then assigning users to the group. First, either open an existing group or create a new group and assign it to the LDAP directory. In this example, I already have a group created. On the Directories tab, select Manage Directories. Select the correct directory from the Not Members section, and it will now display under the Members section. Once you click Next, we will add the full DN of the OU where the new users should be created. If provisioning destination DN is missing, ensure Create Users is enabled in the To Okta provisioning section of the LDAP integration. Go ahead and confirm the changes. Users added to this group will be automatically provisioned to the LDAP directory if the directory integration is configured correctly. That's it. You have now provisioned an Okta user to an LDAP integration. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.